Hi guys, welcome back to Meet the Myers. Today we are doing an unboxing for Succulent
Studios. It's a monthly succulent club. There's your sucker right there. Do you have the blue one?
Ah.
Would you mind? So, it doesn't look like you have to cut anything. It's just easy to open. I'm so excited. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh, we're gonna break it.
Here, let me try.
Do you mind?
You know people watch this.
I know.
I gotta get a piece.
What is happening? Why are you up there? Get down.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, okay. So this is how it looks.
Can
Now
I
let's
read this?
Yeah, can you read that?
Okay.
Nope.
What
Not
is it? What is it is?
That's not the beginning.
Oh.
This is the back of it. So it looks like we've got two different kinds of succulents. We've got Stop Honey, Moonstone, and String of Pearls.
I called it unbox string of pearls.
So to get them out, you just pull this. I don't know, Maddie.
Look how cool that is.
Comes with little
Can we
itty
take this
bitty.
straw out?
I don't know. This one is. Yeah, I think you have to take the straw out. Okay, there's the rubber bands. So you take the rubber bands off very carefully.
I want to unbox that one.
Did you get the rubber band off? Oh, it's adorable.
They're like little grapes. Can I eat them?
No. I'm getting dirt everywhere. Okay.
No, literally, she
So
is getting dirt.
It's super cute. And
See, she got dirt everywhere.
the box is even cute. It's got little succulents on it.
Let me see.
So that's it for the month of February.
When is mine coming in, Mom?
I haven't ordered it yet. So we'll maybe do this again in a month. Bye.
See you guys later. Bye.